Deadly, what you say, my bro? Good to see you.
Good to see you as well, my brother.
How can we help?
Bro, I need my wheels refilled, man.
Yeah, easy, my bro. No problem.
No,
what do you want to do?
not these ones. I've got them in the car, bro.
Ooh, why they in the car?
Madness.
When people bring wheels in the car, there's always something bigger than what the eye sees.
I'm Gobi, I'm Ricky,
and welcome
to Deadly TV.
What's happening, guys? Today you join us at AlloyfixUK in Romford. We got brother Faisal here. How you doing, brother?
I'm good, my bro.
Yeah, so he's one of the owners of the business, and he's gonna talk us about what they do and show us around.
Good to see you here.
Good to see
at
you as well,
AlloyfixUK. So what we do here is we refurbish alloys, anything like your cracked wheels, buckled wheels, refurbishment, diamond cut, powder coat, anything to an OEM standard is what we do. And yeah, so is that why you're here today?
Yeah, I've come to drop off the Deadly Golf R wheels, guys, and I've come to pick up some special wheels as well that they're gonna see.
The special wheels that took us a little longer than usual, we won't even say, because we were trying to figure out what color to put on it, and that was the thing, and we couldn't find the right OEM color because it doesn't even exist anymore. So that's how good these wheels are, and that's how antique they are, should I say? Yeah,
Yeah,
do you see what I mean? On that Skyline. So, but we had to make and do what we had, and I think we've got 90% there, 95% there with the color, with a custom flick and stuff, just to get it all done. So I think we're pretty good on that.
Now, wicked. But how long have you been running this business for?
Ooh, so we've been in the car game for a really long time. Quite difficult to even tell you how many years. Very, very long time we've been in the car trade. Wheels have started probably around about 8 years ago or so.
Okay.
That's when the wheels side of it started.
And you guys have quite a few branches now, haven't you?
Yeah, we've got 3 branches. So you're at Romford right now. We've got 1 branch in Dartford and the newest one in Hamel, which is not far from Luton. So we've taken care of that area. And yeah, we've got 3 branches going strong. More coming through soon. But when they're coming through, we're going to announce them and let you guys know when the other branches are coming.
Yep.
What have you got? Let's see.
Let's open one of them up.
His box is a bit damp.
Oh my god,
Ooh.
bro, there's actually a spider in the box.
All
Bro,
right.
so these wheels have been like, I've got a Golf R project, a Mark 6 that I recently got.
Yep.
And they've got aftermarket wheels on there.
Yep.
And I wanted just to put the OEM ones back on.
Okay.
Wheels have been off the car for about 4 years. Car wasn't driven for 4 years.
Yeah.
If you look at the condition of the wheels, if they're bad, the car was in a proper state.
So the only one that used the wheels was the spider.
Yeah, basically. Yeah. So obviously my viewers at home would have seen the condition of the Golf R, but I really want to get the car in tip-top condition now. So we need to sort out the wheels, bro, man.
What color are they going, man?
I think the best would be like the original, like OEM style silver, like a nice shiny silver.
Bright silver.
Yeah, bright silver. Yeah, man.
All right, I got you, man. Only if you take that spider out. Yeah. Hold on your hand like that.
I'm scared of spiders.
He's got a phobia. Yeah, look at him, bro.
Guys, we've got the wheels out of the car now, and we need to just check exactly if they're buckled or if there's any issues or cracks. But overall, this wheel looks like it's been the most curbed up.
Yeah, that one.
It looks really badly scuffed. This one's, yeah, still scuffed up and it's got some sort of markings here.
Which I believe someone was trying to take out the locking nut or break the locking nut off, because that's all of it there. That's probably when they've hit it with a hammer.
Yeah.
And misjudged it.
Yep.
So let's get it in.
Yeah.
Well,
the other 2 don't look too bad, but you never know. They might be buckled, might have cracks, so we just don't know if anyone's tampered with them. What are we gonna do now?
we're gonna get the wheels inside, spin them up, check off any cracks, any buckles, and start the process.
Wicked. Guys, this is the first wheel. Brother Faisal's got it ready.
I always forget to put gloves on, man. I always forget. Oh, come on over. Try and get that from the side angle, and then you'll see.
Yeah, he has got movement.
Bouncing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So try and get it from the side angle, and then you'll see a bit better.
Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, you can see that.
So this wheel is buckled. All right. So that's 1 of 1.
Yep. That's the first one that's
Go
buckled.
to the next one. I'm waiting to use the word deadly. Let me see if I can spot it somewhere. Come on over. see it from the same angle. Yeah.
Yep.
This one's about the same as the other one, but it's just a buckle. I still can't call it deadly.
Yep.
All right, let me see.
Let's see now if it's third time lucky.
Come on over. Still buckled. Not really deadly, but buckled.
But still buckled, guys. You can clearly
Yeah.
see it's moving around.
Yeah, quite a big one on that one, but
Yeah.
not deadly.
Not.
I'm trying
Let
to
it
create
be
content here, you know?
too deadly.
Oh, ho, ho! I found it.
Oh my god, look how bad that is. Oh my god, bro.
No, that you guys is a deadly buckle. I was waiting to say that.
And how was it perfect? It's the fourth wheel as well, and you never tried it before.
Oh, mate, listen, 4th time lucky. But yeah, this is a deadly buckle. All 4 are buckled, but we got one deadly one from Mr. Deadly, and we're gonna give it a deadly fix too. Let's show you your wheels. Let's show you what we've done. Right here, I present. They're proper lightweight, aren't they? I haven't realised how lightweight they are. Way much lighter. Actually, why are we talking about the lightweight of the wheels? Very good wheels. What do you think about the colour?
Oh my god, I'm actually speechless, man. You got it spot on, like 95% there, you know?
As I said, we were speaking about the colour for weeks, should I say?
For months.
Months even. He was texting me this colour, that colour. Couldn't find any of the colours that he sent me because they don't even exist. So at the end, I had enough. I said, I'm putting on what I think is good.
Bro, you got it bang on. For a wheel that's like 25 years old,
Yep.
you can't colour match it because the manufacturers don't even give you a proper colour match code for
No,
it.
there is no
I've given him some codes from forums and people talking about them online, but you said you couldn't find the codes. They don't exist no more.
They don't exist. So this is what we've done at the end. And I think we're like 95% there, as I was saying. It's spot on and the wheel is absolutely good. But when these wheels came in, they had grass coming out of them. They weren't looked after. But yeah, they've come out absolutely spot on, just the way we like it at Alloy Fix.
And we've got all 4 of them stacked up. As you could see, guys, obviously they're all looking brand new now. Like I said, and I always say it again, AlloyFix are the people to go to, so hit them up if you need your wheels refurbished.
Yo my people, what's happening? Welcome back to Deadly TV. Guys, today you joined me on this Sunday morning and I'm attempting to polish up this Deadly Golfer. The body was in a proper bad state. The color of the car is faded. I thought before I give it to a professional detailer to even see if the color comes out, why don't I attempt doing it? And I've got my machine polish here and the G3 compound and Maguire's polish as well. So I'm going to see how it comes out, guys. I'm going to show you how the bonnet looks at the moment. I'm going to do like a 50-50, and if it comes out good, then I'm going to attempt doing the rest of the car. I thought before I spend a couple of £100 with a professional detailer, I might as well just see how it comes out doing it myself. And if it doesn't look that great, then we'll see. Maybe it's not worth doing it. But if it does look deadly, then maybe I'll just do the whole car and it might be a deadly job. So come along on this deadly mission. This is the setup, guys, for today. We got the deadly machine polish from Halfords. We got the G3 compound. We have a Maguire's, I think it says liquid car wax, and we've also got auto finesse paint restoration, and we got the sponges. That's it, guys, we are ready. Let me show you, guys. I don't know if you could see, but the state of the bonnet is not good, man. Like, it's looking mad rough, and it is rough, and there's loads of like little scratches and stuff. I'm sure you can see it better now, you know. So I'm gonna try and get this all cleaned up. The headlight as well, it's looking a bit mad, a bit crusty. The wing, basically the whole car, guys. It needs a lot of work, and I'm gonna attempt it and see how it comes out. That's it. Ready. Guys, we've got some G3 compound on, ready with the machine. That's it. Wish us luck. Guys, I'm actually well impressed with that 15 minutes of polish. Let me show you. So you can't see me here, looking very scruffy, and the paint's looking very rubbish. And then we move over and you can clearly see me. So yeah, it's working. Whatever I'm doing, guys, is working. It's looking fresh, boy. Now just for the other side of the bonnet and the rest of the car. Oh my god, I don't think I'm ready. Guys, it's proper tiring. We got the deadly cloth, got the machine polish, everything ready. We're just doing it. I wanted to do half first because there's no point trying to do the whole car and it's not going to come out. It's going to look like rubbish. So I can clearly see it's coming out. It's looking good. I'm happy with it. Had my local uncle Harry Sasa just come and give me a few tips. He's been polishing cars for the last 30-40 years. So yeah, he told me use this compound, use that polish, bits and bobs. So yeah, it's coming together, guys. So yeah, it's going to be a long one, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Guys, that's it. I've machine polished the full bonnet now. I've first done half and now I've done the other half. I've put the G3 first on, the G3 compound, to try and get any bit of like dirt off the bonnet, try and get the colour out, and then I put some buyer's polish on it and we're going to wipe it off now and see the outcome. I hope you guys previously would have seen how hazy it was. Now look, it is literally blinging, guys. You can see how fresh it's looking. I'm proud of my deadly job, guys. It's actually looking alright. It's a proper time consuming job though, but honestly guys, I thought it's easy to be a deadly detailer. It is not easy, guys, man. It's taking me like an hour and a half just to do the flipping bonnet. So now for the rest of the car, I'm not ready, but it has to be done. Down the dust on the wing, but it's coming out nice and fresh, guys, as you could see. Yeah, it's looking proper. Guys, we've done about half the car and it's been like 2 to 2.5 hours. Just polished up the doors, the wings, the doors and the rear quarter. Now we're gonna start wiping it down and see how it's coming out.
Right guys, that's episode 2 complete. As you saw in episode 1, we tackled all the mechanical work, got the car riding properly, and now we've gone for the aesthetics. We've dropped the wheels off to AlloyfixUK for them to do their magic, and Mr. Deadly is doing a deadly professional detail on the outside of the car. To see what she looks like in her full glory, you're gonna have to wait till the final episode. But until then, stay tuned and stay ready.